palpakman, si Nicholas Kaufman, ako po ang mananagot sa taong bayan.
Vice President Sara Duterte takes full responsibility for her father's legal defense. As former President Rodrigo Duterte was arrested at NAIA on March 11, taken to Villamor Air Base, and flown to The Hague in less than a day, his daughter moved fast. With little time to prepare, VP Sara scrambled to secure a lawyer.
Kasi sinusundan ko yung airplane niya. Nung naintindihan ko na kung ano yung gagawin ng pamahalaan sa kanya, gumawa na ako ng paraan na merong sasalo sa kanya na abogado dito sa The Hague.
She ordered a team in the Philippines to vet lawyers, and among the top candidates shortlisted was Kaufman. Kaufman is a seasoned international lawyer with over 30 years of experience and has defended individuals before the ICC, making him a strategic choice.
Habang nasa ere, si President Duterte, sinabihan siya at sinabihan ko lahat ng may contact sa kanya, sabihin niya pagdating niya dito na si Nicholas Kaufman yung kanyang abogado.
But Kaufman wasn't the only name listed. Another lawyer, former Executive Secretary Salvador Medialdea, was initially recognized by the ICC as Duterte's legal representative. But he may not be able to continue, according to VP Sara.
Nakikita ko yung hirap siya sa paghinga, hirap siya mukha siyang stressed na masyado na dahil sa edad niya siguro.
With Medialdea's health in question, the family is still deciding how to finance the former president's legal defense. VP Sara says they're still weighing whether to privately fund his case or apply for legal aid.
Nag-express na ako sa lawyer initially na there are discussions and moves on the part of our family to apply for legal aid.
While in detention, the former president is still struggling to adjust, especially to the cold weather in The Hague. As her father faces trial, VP Sara urges supporters to mobilize.
I-demand natin na may managot sa nangyari sa ating bayan, na nawalan tayo ng former president. Patuloy nating i-demand, as I said, transparency, accountability, peace, and security ng ating bayan.
Hannah T., Billionaire News Channel.